Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Nye and this is Slay the Renee Way. Welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 60 plus unique YouTube video ideas that you can start today to grow and build your YouTube channel. If you're excited for this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe right now. Let's jump right into it. So I did type this list up on my phone, so if you guys see me looking over, it's because I'm getting ideas from the list. We're going to first start with my lifestyle content ideas tab. This is for anyone who is creating just everyday life, or you just want to pick up the camera and vlog your life. This is any type of lifestyle content, and these are some of the more unique ideas that I find will be useful for anyone looking to grow their channels. Number one, this is something I find is really unique. These are digital or visual diaries. Basically, that's like a montage vlog, or just, you don't have to really do any talking. You can actually piece together pieces of content of you filming what you like to do, or anything. It can be anything. It's a montage vlog, but it's like your digital diary. So you basically are just filming your day, and you don't necessarily have to be talking or recording yourself, because sometimes I guess like holding the camera and like filming your face from this point of view, sometimes when you're just starting, that might be a little bit too much, especially if you're shy, because I'm shy. So do like a digital diary where you just film your point of view of what your day is like, or what your meals is like, or whatever the case may be. It's just a montage vlog. Number two, going off of that, is day in the life vlogs. Day in the life vlogs or daily vlogs. And this is pretty self-explanatory. Basically, you would just film what your day in the life is like and give everybody an example of what you actually do during your day. So simple to the point. Number three, you can do weekly vlogs. I find that weekly vlogs are really interesting to look at, because instead of just watching what you do over the course of one day, you're getting to piece together what you do over the course of several days. So like a week in my life, a week in the entrepreneur world, or a week in the hairstylist world, or a week a nail technician, or whatever the case may be. Just do a week in your life. Number four is weekend vlogs. So taking a break from doing your day-to-day life, you can just take your followers along with you on a weekend, especially if you're going out and you have things that are going to be like interesting to look at on a vlog. I say film those and do a weekend vlog. Number five is self-care days. I really enjoy looking at self-care day vlogs, and this is pretty self-explanatory as well. You pretty much will just share with your subscribers what you like to do for self-care, and you will film that. Number six is a monthly reset. I'm a huge fan of monthly resets because I feel like it gives you a chance to reset your life, but then also you get to share with your subscribers what that looks like. So this could be things like, for myself, I will make a vision board, reset your calendar, plan out your content for the month. If you like to like clean up your room and do like a really big deep clean of your space, that's something that you can do in those vlogs. But look at some of your favorite creators and see if they do monthly reset routines and kind of get an idea of what that's like, because I'm telling you right now, those always do well. A monthly reset, it always will do well. Number seven is a Sunday reset, similar to a monthly reset. 8 is productive days in my life. These do so well on YouTube, you guys. If you're one to be super productive in your day, share some of your productivity tips and vlog, okay? Piece together a nice aesthetic vlog, and I'm telling you, those will do really well on your channel. Number 9, come grocery shopping or hygiene shopping with me. I've just recently learned that the hygiene shopping videos, they're like blowing up all over YouTube. So if you really get into your hygiene and you like to share your products, this is a good opportunity to blow up on YouTube. But not only that, you guys, opportunity to be able to list out the products that you are shopping in your description box and earn some passive income with affiliate marketing. So I'll get into that in another video, but if you want to know how to do affiliate marketing, comment down below. Number 10 are travel vlogs. So if you're a travel girly and you're always on a flight or always going to another destination, these are amazing videos to put out on YouTube, because wherever you travel to, it doesn't matter where you go, there's always someone looking to see what it's like traveling in a new place. You're getting a personal perspective of what this place is like and where all the good food spots at. Share what you do during your travel vlogs and things like that. Travel vlogs just always do good on YouTube. So number 11 is a prep with me or like maintenance vlog. These are vlogs that go hand in hand with travel vlogs. So try to implement some prep with me for vacation, or do a maintenance vlog where you're like getting your hair, nails, eyelashes, everything, shopping and things like that. Number 12 is feminine hygiene tips. Basically, if that will go with your like come hygiene shopping with me video, you would just sit down and film some tips on ways that females can keep up with their feminine hygiene and ways to smell good, look good, feel good, all things feminine hygiene. The girls love those videos. 13 is waking up at blank for a week. I've seen a lot of these videos that were like trending for a long time, so you could do waking up at 3 a.m. for a week or waking up at 5 a.m. for a week. Number 14 is what I eat in a week. Number 15 is cook or bake with me. Number 16 is clean with me. Now, these videos always do well because a lot of people really like to get motivated to clean or cleaning vlogs and sharing how you go from a really messy space to a really neat, organized, and clean space. Those really do well. I personally like looking at these type of videos myself. Number 17 is an unwind with me nightly routine. Everyone loves a good night routine. Number 18, following up with that, is a morning routine video. Number 19 is life as an entrepreneur vlogs. Now, you guys know I love filming what my life is like as an entrepreneur. I've learned that people really like to see what other people's lives are like, especially if you're running your small business from home and stuff like that. You can share with people what it's like to be an entrepreneur, how you run your business. And number 20 is going to be like a back to school prep, back to school shopping, organization videos, things like that, or packing with me for school videos, getting ready with me for school videos. Anything related to back to school during the back to school month, so like late August to early September, around that time, everyone's going to be looking to like see what other people's lives are like, preparing for school, college, high school, whatever the case may be. That will probably help your channel to blow up. Number 21, around December is a good time to do Vlogmas. I'm thinking about doing Vlogmas this year, you guys, but Vlogmas, everyone's always doing Vlogmas. You can do this in a variety of different ways. You can vlog every day of December, you can vlog 12 days of December, you can do a few videos a week during December, but Vlogmas is basically like a time to vlog any and everything, because it doesn't matter what you're doing, you're just literally just vlogging for an entire month what your life is like. This probably really will bring in a lot of new traffic and subscribers to your channel, so if you're a smaller YouTuber and you're looking to grow, try Vlogmas this December. 22, we already talked about like morning and night routines, but during different seasons, so like fall, spring, winter, and summer, you can pick one of those seasons and do a fall morning routine, winter morning routine, fall night routine, winter night routine. Just do it for the season. Because number 23 is hygiene or self-care routine. So this could be a shower routine, makeup routine, makeup haul, or like hygiene care haul, and like show all the products that you purchased, or just share what you do for your shower routine, hair washing routine. Number 24 is a birthday marathon. I've seen a lot of people do like maintenance or just a vlog of turning 18 or turning 21 and what their birthday celebration was like, how they decided to celebrate their birthday. I don't know, it's kind of fun. That's just a fun vlog that you can do. Number 25 is hair tutorials. Number 26 is a first day of school or first day of college. Number 27, going to my appointment. So if you have like a nail appointment, lash appointment, hair appointment, vlog what you do for the day. Number 28 is date night vlogs. Number 29 is events or like concerts. If you're going for a night out, or if you're going to a bar, whatever the case may be, just like vlog the event. Number 30 is visiting family and friends. 31 is behind the scenes photo shoot. So say you're getting ready for your birthday and you want to vlog like what it's like to get ready for your birthday photo shoot. That's a good one. Number 32 is holiday shopping, especially Christmas, you guys. Christmas is one of those things that everybody loves to decorate for and like shop for. So do like a Christmas or Christmas decorating my Christmas tree or something like that. 33, vacation. We already talked about vacations. 34 is trying out fancy restaurants. If you're going to a new restaurant, especially when you're traveling or when you're going to a new city, you can always share details about what this restaurant was like, because somebody might be in that area looking for a recommendation for a good restaurant and you've already given them the tips. 35 is hotel and Airbnb tours. So anytime you're traveling, vlog and tour your entire hotel or your Airbnb, because for the same reasons as a restaurant, it just gives people an idea of what that space was like. So if they're in that area, they might want to book. Number 36 is moving to a new apartment. 37, room transformation. I love looking at room transformations. 38, shopping for a trip. 39, planning an event. Number 40 is what's in my bag or what's in my purse. A lot of girls like to see like what other women are carrying in their purse. Just something interesting and different you could try. 41, ready with me. Number 42 is school and college advice. If you're in college or if you're in high school and you have some advice for other freshmen, or you have advice or tips to get, these are really good videos to post during the fall time, especially during like get ready to go back to school season. Number 43 is a story time. Number 44 is a new city tour. 45 is a vent session. 46 is a night out with the girls. 47 is having my subscribers tell me what to do for a day. That's a really fun one. Like, you'll basically film a video, tell everyone to comment what they want you to do for that day, and then your very next vlog will be doing everything that your subscribers suggest you do for a day. 48 is get unready with me. 49 is after school routine or like after work routine. 50 is a clothing haul. So if you're one to like shop Shein, Fashion Nova, do a clothing hauls. Girls love to watch clothing hauls. Number 51 is a mall shopping vlog. Number 52 is packing and shipping orders. This is for all my entrepreneurs or boss babes out there. If you have a business, share how you pack and ship your orders. This is something that really did numbers for my channel. I mean, everybody was coming to my channel looking for ideas, tips, and just overall inspiration. And still to this day, I find that packing and shipping orders vlogs always do well on YouTube. And number 53 is packing for a trip. 54 is mom life, so everyday essentials. Number 56 is makeup haul. Number 57, workout routine. Number 58, what's in my pantry. Number 59 is what's on my iPhone. A lot of people like seeing what other apps and things that people have on their iPhone, how they style their iPhone and things like that. 60 is a Q&A. 61 is unpopular opinions. Number 62 is your music playlist. 63, Netflix suggestions. 64, what I got for my birthday / what I got for Christmas. Number 65, and this is something I highly recommend, is to teach your subscribers something that you're really good at. A lot of times people are coming to YouTube for how to do something or just a how-to tutorial of how to. Number 66 is like a tech and gadget review. So if you just bought a new camera for your YouTube channel, this would be a good opportunity to review that camera and give advice for any other YouTubers or anybody looking to purchase that camera. Those videos do really, really well. Number 67 is pulling an all-nighter. Number 68 is attempting to get my life back together. So if you've been in a slump and you've been going through a lot, do a vlog where you're like sharing how you get your life back together, how you organize. It's kind of like a reset video, but a little bit different because you're going from being a hot mess to having your life put together. Unboxing videos. So anytime you purchase anything new, especially when it's like an iPhone, an iPad, like I said, a camera, anything techie like that, do like an unboxing video. A lot of people want to know what the product looks like fresh out the box, and those videos do really well. Trying my friend's Starbucks drinks. Number 70, attempting to glow up in 24 hours, or like my glow up with less than $100, or anything you're doing to glow up. People like looking at them type of videos. Now, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Let this be your sign to start your YouTube channel today. You should be able to pick at least one of these YouTube video ideas and get your channel started today, or at least get started filming today. I'm going to help a lot of my small YouTubers out right now. If you have a YouTube channel or you just started a YouTube channel, comment your channel name down below and you guys can interact with each other and subscribe to one another and help each other to grow. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful for you guys. If it was, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I drop another gem. But love you guys so much. See you on the next video. Peace.